Hey, I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk about cleaning grout in tile. Now, tile is a great feature to have in your kitchen, but in new homes, and particularly where you have a kitchen and a dining area tied into a very open space, it's a high traffic area in your home. So you'll find many times that the grout lines, and particularly with a light grout such as this, will become soiled over a period of time. So it's a little bit of work, and there's a couple things that you want to have. You want to have a bucket, you have a couple cleaning products, and the two that I have here that tend to work very well, you can use an OxyClean or a baking soda. And you want to have a good stiff bristle brush, such as this, or something you might actually use in your sink for scrubbing dishes, such as this. Now also, when you're doing a very large area here, to protect your hands, and even though that these are very friendly chemicals, it's a good idea to have some rubber gloves as well, just to protect your hands for doing a very large area. The next thing, and I don't have them on now, but if you're doing a large floor area like this, it's usually a good idea to save some wear and tear on your knees to have some knee pads on. And that'll help save you a lot of pain and potential trouble from doing that. Now, when you're using these type of products and to get down in here, it's really a good idea as you're mixing this up. As you dump this into your water, you don't want it to be a real liquid. You want to get more of a paste consistency, so that actually when you put this down into the grout, you're almost letting it sit in there like this in a paste. And then you want to let this sit for a few minutes before you actually start scrubbing this. And then once you let that sit a little bit and let it work into the grout, you can just come back in and do a nice scrub. And then you can come back with a sponge and actually clean this up. Now, if you want to keep from having to do this every couple of months, once you clean this and once you let it dry for at least 48 hours, then you can come back and you can actually treat these grout lines with a grout sealer. And what the sealer does, you put on a couple applications and it keeps moisture and dirt out, so now when you sponge mop, it's very easy. It'll keep that dirt on the surface and keep it from actually going down into the grout. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to clean grout.